So you want to change the password of your Instagram account. I got you. First of all, make sure you have updated to the latest version of Instagram from the App Store or Play Store. After that's done, open the app and click on your profile icon, which is located at the lower right corner. You should be directed to your profile, and now look for the 3 lines icon, which is located at the top right corner. Click on the 3 lines and search for an option named Settings and Privacy, which will most likely be at the top. Click on it, and you should see another option at the top called Account Center. Press on that, and the Meta Account Center will pop up. After that, search for the Passwords and Security option below. Click on it, and you should see some options. Don't mind them, and look for the Change Password option. Click on that and choose your account. You'll notice that Instagram is asking for your current password in order for you to change to a new one. If you've forgotten your current password, you can press on the Forgot Password option, which will send a link for you to change to a new password in your linked email. However, if you still remember your current password, enter that in the Current Password section. Next, type your new password in the New Password section and retype it again for security in the last section. If it all checks out correctly, you can press on the Change Password button below, and your password will successfully be changed.